ClickUp labels tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the labels or the ClickUp tags into your ClickUp workspace. So the process is going to be very simple and easy. We're going to head over clickup.com, sign in for an account, and then you're going to see here the dashboard. Now for the labels, or you can go ahead and consider them tags, which is going to be known in here and not labels on ClickUp. They're going to be a sort of organization about your specific workspace. So for example, you can go ahead and add a specific label or let's say here tag into a task and make it, let's say, personalizable. Or you can go ahead and customize it. How this label or tag is going to help you. Simply, it is going to be an organizer for you. For example, if you have here for some tasks that are going to be on a specific topic, you can go ahead and sort these tasks as a specific tag or add a specific tag to those tasks. And also, you can go ahead and organize them so you're not going to be confusing the team or yourself about these specific, let's say here, tags. Now, how we can add the tags. It is going to be something that is very easy and simple. We're going to head over here at the specific space for us. We're going to head over the specific workspace in here. And if we haven't added the ClickUp apps or app for the tags, you can go ahead and create a new space. Click on here. Then you're going to name it something like that. This is the case that you're going to create a new one, and then you're going to set up the workflow of yours. So after that, you're going to click on Click Apps. So on Click Apps, make sure that you have the tags enabled in here, and then you're going to click on Done. Once you have did that, you're going to click on the specific space of yours. For example, this one, we have some backlogs, or you can call them tasks or milestone. As you can see here, we have a milestone and also some tasks. You can go ahead and click on the details of them, or you can create another detail for a specific task in here, and then you can go ahead and add a tag. So for example, you can go ahead and add a tag. For example, you are going to create a new tag by setting up, for example, let's say here, YouTube, for example. This is for YouTube, just like that. I'm going to create my tag, and here we have it. So you're going to find the tag showing up in here. So basically, it is going to be the tag. Also, for this one, you can go ahead and have the same thing added as a tag. So you're going to have the same tag added. And these are going to help you organize the specific work or tags of yours or the specific tasks. So if you are going to be confused in this case and how we can see the tags or add them from the beginning of the task or the milestone that we are going to add, you can go ahead and click on add task or milestone depending on the adding in here. And then you're going to set up the name of that specific, let's say, task. So for example, preparing video upload, for example. And then we're going to have, for example, the things in here. So I'm going to put it on active. So in contact with the person, I'm going to have it just like that. You can go ahead and set up the assignee, and then you're going to set up the due date, the priority, and also the tags. So you can go ahead and select the tag in here and create that specific task. So it is going to be in here. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.